What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick review of these Waste King garbage disposal that we have right here. In this review, I want to tell you everything that you need to know about this garbage disposal, including one thing that I think that you should know before buying. So we got this garbage disposal mainly because we just went through a kitchen remodel and we decided, you know what, the other one was about 6 or 7 years old. Didn't really have any issues, but figured, hey, we're down here anyway, we may as well clean it up. So we decided to get this bad boy right here. And we got the 1/2 horsepower version because I think that's very sufficient for what you need. Now, in terms of the installation, you guys, did this one myself. Super easy. One thing I really like about this particular garbage disposal is that they have it already pre-wired with the electric. Now, not all of them have that, but it's really nice when they do, because it takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation for you. And you can see here, super easy. So it is already installed there. All you have to do is plug that box in there, and then, well, you have to connect it to that box there, and then plug that box in, which we did right over there. So super easy in terms of the electrical, which again is a big deal. If you've done this before, that's not always something that's easy to do. The plumbing itself and everything you see here, very standard, nothing crazy there. It's just standard stuff to do as well. Now, in terms of the garbage disposal in action, pretty simple. Basically, we turn on the faucet, and we just have this nifty little button that you can press. You can hear it there. And it does a really good job chopping up anything that you need as well. So the only thing to know about this, and I think I saw this complaint a few times, was that people were upset that it came kind of hardwired like this. Like I said, that makes it easy, but some people are just used to installing the electrical and hardwiring it directly. But like I said, I saw that as a positive because frankly, I don't want to go through all the electrical. I don't want to have to call an electrician. I'd rather do it this way. And for me, this worked really well. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for something like this, we highly recommend it and enjoy it a lot ourselves.